Hi, welcome back to the Math Resource Showcase. It is Fun Friday, and Fun Friday means that we come back to my virtual beach and we go into creation mode because creation is where all of those things that we've learned go a little bit deeper. So I thought it would be fun today to try to create a problem similar to the Gabriel's problem that we solved earlier. So let's go back to the Gabriel's problem to look at what it entailed. So this was Gabriel's problem. Basically, it said he filled in these numbers 1 through 9, one number per box, and then he multiplied them across to get the numbers on the outside, and he multiplied them down to get the numbers on the bottom. And then he erased all the numbers in the middle, and we had to figure out what they were. These numbers on the outside were just me trying to figure out the factors to figure out a logic way to fill it in. So to create one of your own, you really just go backwards. So I borrowed this same grid from Gabriel's problem and I brought it here. So now at this point, you just pick whatever random numbers you want as long as they're 1 through 9 and that you use each one once. So let's pick some random numbers. Let's do a 5 here, and maybe let's do 4 here, and let's do an 8 here, and then maybe 2 here, and a 3, and maybe a 7, and maybe a 1. What are we missing? We're missing 9. So let's do 9. And what are we missing now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. Now we should have all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We do. We have all the numbers. So at this point, now that we have all the numbers, we need to multiply them to get the numbers on the outside. So 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 9 is 90. 4 times 3 is 12, and then 12 times 6 is 72, and then 8 times 7 is 56, and 56 times 1 is still 56. That's why they call it the identity for multiplication. The number 1 is identity. And then 9 times 6 is 54, and then 54 times 1 is still 54, so that sticks. 7 times 3 is 21, and then we multiply that by 2, we're going to get 42. And then finally, 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 8 is 160. So now that we have those numbers on the inside, we can erase them or get rid of them on the outside. I mean on the inside. I said the outside, didn't I? I did. And then you're ready to go. You just created your own Gabriel's problem. So then at this point, you can go give this to a family member or a friend and explain to them the rules. They have to try to put the numbers 1 through 9 in the middle with one number per box, and you have to use all the numbers of 1 through 9, and they have to multiply across to be the numbers on the side and multiply down to be the numbers down. All right, seems pretty easy, right? I hope you can try your own. Go ahead and just create whatever numbers, whatever order you want, as long as it's 1 through 9 in the middle. Multiply it out to figure out your outside numbers, and then take away the numbers from the inside. Go take it to a family member, share it with them, see if they can solve it, see if it comes out to what it's supposed to be. All right, I had a lot of fun doing that. I hope you enjoyed time with me at my virtual beach. I hope you come back next week ready to try some more math challenges. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. And as always, happy mathing.